Welcome to our overview demo of TechnoMile's Competitive Insights platform. At TechnoMile, we design and build software to meet the very specific and unique needs of companies that do business with the government. Our cloud platform helps companies manage and transform their processes around the entire government contract lifecycle, from pre-award BD and capture activities to post-award administration and performance of the contract. Today, I'm going to show you a quick overview of our Competitive Insights platform, which is the market and contract intelligence solution that's included with TechnoMile's Growth Suite. Our Growth Suite is a CRM solution that's purpose-built to meet the needs of government contractors as they find and qualify opportunities and run captures. TechnoMile has created a data lake where we've aggregated, cleansed, organized, and enriched data from top federal sources, including USA Spending, FPDS, SAM, and our proprietary GovSearch database. And we make all of this data available to our clients in a very user-friendly format through our Competitive Insights platform, which provides actionable intelligence that helps them find and qualify new opportunities, identify potential partners, conduct market and competitive analysis, and find government contacts. Competitive Insights brings intelligence to growth, and that intelligence shows up in three places on our growth product: on opportunities, on accounts, and through the creation of contacts. While TechnoMile Growth lets you track and assess your BD and capture progress, Competitive Insights will ensure that those processes are well informed. First, let's look at how Competitive Insights enhances opportunities. Here, we have an opportunity for near space network services. You will see that Competitive Insights lets the user compile basic information about the customer, solicitation, incumbent vendor, and incumbent contract, putting details just one click away with just a couple of searches. We go into the Competitive Insights tab, and now we can easily find the incumbent. Now, I happen to know that this program is Space Communications and Navigation. We enter that into the keyword search. And now we're able to find relevant information about a contract vehicle, a task order definitive contract, or solicitation. Now I'm interested in finding that incumbent. I click through here, and there are lots of options presented to me. I happen to know that it's this one. I'm going to match. And when I match, a lot of information is pulled into this opportunity page. You're going to find right away that we can match information about that task order, about the contract vehicle itself, about the awarding agency for that task order, as well as the incumbent vendor that holds it. So you're able to find information quickly about each of these characteristics of the opportunity. If, however, an incumbent isn't known, we can still find and match the solicitation for that opportunity. In this case, this is the near space network. I find the match. There it is. I click match, and it's so simple to pull information in from TechnoMile's data lake. This is a solicitation for near space network services. You can click here to get more details, find contacts from TechnoMile's data lake, or go to SAM to get the original opportunity information. If instead, though, of this opportunity development, you're more interested in account and relationship management, Competitive Insights can help you too. On account pages in Growth, TechnoMile customers can match up vendors or agencies. First, on a vendor account, it's very simple to match up any vendor that does work with the federal government right to an account. And for that vendor, you'll see identifying information, top customers, markets, business types, subcontractors, contract vehicles, and task orders. You can click through and get a lot more details about that vendor as well. The other type of account is an agency account. Here, let's look at the Goddard Space Flight Center. Out of the box, TechnoMile will match up and provide to you this agency information for each account that you have with the federal government. It will show you spending over time, vendors, markets, agency details, contracts, contacts from our GovSearch product, as well as the agency hierarchy. Or you can click straight through to Competitive Insights. But the third key piece of information that a lot of TechnoMile clients are interested in is developing relationships with the federal agencies. And if you needed to know more or find somebody to talk to at the Goddard Space Flight Center, click on Contacts. That's going to bring up a list of contacts that we have from our TechnoMile data lake that you can pull in with one click. You see here, this is the Goddard Space Flight Center. Let's find a contact. Let's say there is an associate chief. All you have to do is click the plus, and now that person's first name, last name, title, email address, phone number are brought into the system. You can check that right away. And you can see that information is right there. This information, all the contact information, comes from our GovSearch product. GovSearch was acquired in 2019, used to be called Carroll Publishing, and has been the leader in government contract intelligence for more than 45 years. We've continued to build on that legacy and enhance this data set of federal, state, and local decision and policymakers. Now, it's much higher quality contact data than you'll find in other tools like GovCon because it's all human validated by our team of research analysts. And you'll see we offer a broader and deeper range of contacts for agencies and offices than you'll find elsewhere. You've seen how Competitive Insights brings intelligence into growth. Now let's see how the information in Competitive Insights can assist in other BD and capture activities. To get the Competitive Insights, simply click the link. What you see when you get to Competitive Insights is a dashboard showing your company's work in the federal marketplace. Competitive Insights provides a series of searches to help you find information about recompetes, market sizing and assessment, competitors, and the like. We're going to cover a few of the key workflows that federal contractors might benefit from the most through Competitive Insights. First, recompete opportunities. You're going to find those in the Awards tab. The Awards tab is going to show every definitive contract and task order going back at least a decade. That is every single one, far more than a competitor like GovCon has. When you get to the search, you're going to see a simple set of filters that help you identify recompetes you would be in a good position to win. For example, let's say you're looking for 8A opportunities at the Department of Homeland Security that are no more than $1 million and are expiring within the next year. Put those filters in, hit apply, and immediately you will find a list of definitive contracts and task orders that meet those criteria. You can sort through that list or export it. You can also save the search for later use. It's that simple. If you're not looking for individual opportunities, maybe you're looking for competition or partners in this space. For that, you're going to want to look at vendors. Our vendor search, more like a competitor and matchmaking search, aggregates information, making it very easy to find the vendors that match your criteria. Let me show you what I mean. Let's say you're trying to find an opportunity and you need a partner with a certain capability. You need a women-owned small business, for example, that has won work with the Army and has done so through Oasis Small Business. Hit apply, and what you're going to see are the list of vendors that are women-owned small businesses that have won work for the Army through Oasis Small Business. The information you're going to see is not top level, but aggregate. So for each vendor, you're going to see their business types. You're going to see their top markets. You're going to see how much money they've won. You're going to see their top contract vehicles, as well as their top customers as a prime. You can easily scan through this information or drill down, as well as export. The third key workflow you might be interested in is looking at overall contract vehicles. Once again, the tables are going to look very similar to what you've already seen, and we'll highlight the sorts of information we have. You'll see major contract vehicles will have their own pages, as well as individual contracts on those pages. If you're trying to find specific information, you can do so this way. Let's say you're really interested in finding out the top contract vehicles used by the education department. Simply enter your filters, hit apply, and then you will see the top contract vehicles that they use and the top vendors on those vehicles. It's very easy to be able to drill through each of those contract vehicles. In here, you'll be able to see the awardees on that contract vehicle and how much money they've won, and the individual task orders on all those vehicles. If you want to see what an individual company has won, you can click through to that page as well as seeing the task orders that they have won and their subcontractors. You can easily find information about any of these task orders, including what it's for, how much money, which specific vendor it had been awarded to, and who awarded it. To find out more about who awarded it, simply click through. And here, once again, you will find an agency page compiling that information. You can drill down and find more opportunities, or you can find about more contact information. Here, instead of seeing individuals, you can see an entire org chart, complete with individual contact information and phone numbers. Now, a further workflow could be identification of individual active opportunities on SAM. Competitive Insights has a very simple and easy to use search for solicitations. Simply go to the search, find solicitations for a given agency, set aside type, market, location, and date, hit apply, save the filter, and you can very easily see solicitations either in this compact table format or in a card view. So that's a quick overview of how TechnoMile's competitive intelligence solution puts actionable intelligence at our clients' fingertips by making it accessible right from their growth solution where they're working daily, and gives them a very straightforward, user-friendly tool to find and qualify new opportunities, identify potential partners, conduct market and competitive analysis, and find government contacts. If you would like to get a more in-depth look at TechnoMile's market and contact intelligence capabilities that help our clients drive growth, scan the QR code at the end of this video to schedule a demo with our team or visit technomile.com. Thank you.